In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in Brevo account. By the end, you'll be comfortably signed in and ready to work without any confusion. All you need is a reliable internet connection, a web browser, and the email and password you registered with. If you're on a shared or public computer, make sure you're using a trusted browser window for safety. Start by opening a new tab in your browser. In the address or search bar at the top, type Brevo and press Enter. This is the quickest way to get to the official site, even if you don't remember the exact web address. When the results appear, you'll see a few options. Click on the first result that clearly points to the official Brevo website. Take a quick moment to verify you're on the legitimate page by checking for the secure lock icon next to the URL and confirming the domain looks correct. This tiny pause helps you avoid lookalike pages and ensures your login details stay safe. Once you're on the home page, look for the Login option. It's usually located at the top right corner of the site and may stand out as a button or a link. Click it to open the sign-in page. On the login screen, enter your registered email address in the email field and your password in the password field. Be mindful of uppercase and lowercase letters, and make sure there are no accidental spaces before or after your email or password. If your browser offers to save your credentials, only accept that on a private, trusted device. Keeping your credentials secure is important, so avoid typing them where others can see your screen. Next, click the Login button to proceed. If your details are correct, you'll be taken into your Brevo dashboard. If the page seems to load for a moment, just give it a few seconds. In case the login doesn't work right away, double-check that your email matches the one you registered and that your password is exact. If you've linked your account to a trusted provider, you can choose Sign in with Google or Sign in with Apple instead. Click the option that applies to you and follow the on-screen prompts. You may be asked to confirm your account or approve a quick verification, and then you'll be signed in the same way. That's it. You've successfully logged into your Brevo account. For good security hygiene, remember to sign out when using shared devices and keep your browser up to date. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your time in Brevo.